Hey folks, Warren here at Phillips Chevrolet, the #1 Chevy dealership in the Midwest. I have Barbara here. She just purchased a brand new 2018 Chevy Equinox LT. Barbara, tell the folks how much you like your brand new 2018 Equinox.
I'm thrilled with it. It was a great experience. They had a huge selection, and I test drove it, and I fell in love with it. It was great.
Perfect. Would you refer anyone to Phillips Chevrolet?
Absolutely. There was so many cars to choose from.
All right, that's perfect. You guys heard it here first. Come on down to Phillips Chevrolet and ask for Warren.